So it has been a full year when I started this YouTube channel. 16 months to be exact, when I uploaded my first video. And let me tell you, it has not been easy. A lot of tough downs, a little bit of ups, but a whole lot of tough downs. What is surprising is how the videos perform on the platform. You go on YouTube and you watch other people's videos that has hundreds and thousands of views. And so you think your first video will collect views the same way. You'll be surprised about what you learn. So if you're curious about what happens behind a YouTuber's life or behind a YouTube channel, or maybe you're just thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, stick around. In this video, I'm spilling the beans. I'm telling you how it really feels like having a YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome back to K-Phil, my photography and video channel. Here, I share my journey of discovering the art of photography and mastering video creation. My goal is to inspire fellow photographers and content creators. It's not what it was, but it's what it is right now. So let's get it. 16 months ago, I hit upload on my first video. I had hopes and dreams like everybody else, My goal was to grow this YouTube channel, grow my audience, But it has not been easy. I will share some graphs, analytics of my channel later in this video. 16 months ago, to be exact, when I hit upload on my first video, I had goals, I had dreams, just like everybody else. And those dreams were to grow the audience, to grow this YouTube channel. But little did I know about what I was getting myself into. So after a full year and so months of doing YouTube, I have created videos and I've learned the ropes, and I think I'm in a position to tell you how it really feels and how it looks like behind a YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm talking about the challenges I've faced, the fears that I've heard and that I have now, and how I feel moving forward with YouTube. So stick around. I hope you get inspired. I hope you learn something. Gaining views. This has been the hardest one for me because, you post your video and your hopes is it does very well, And so in my case, I remember when I posted my first video, I'll go back to YouTube after every 3 hours to just see how many more views it has accumulated. And I realized that it doesn't work that way, And then it's to be expected because you put in so much work and you want your video to do well, And then you go back and see how many videos you've seen or watched your videos. It's crickets, no views. And then you start asking yourself, what is happening? Am I doing something wrong, Now, the pressure to be consistent and post continually or always, that's a real one, because 6 months in, I realized that in order for me to grow my audience, I needed to post videos every week, at least 2-3 times a week if I needed to grow my following. And this meant that I needed to create videos every week. Creating videos is not easy, And so I would create videos, and I was really into it because I'm committed to this process and doing it, and I kept going. But there were days where I felt like I didn't want to create videos. I felt tired. I simply felt burned out, And that's one other serious challenge when it comes to being a YouTuber or creating content, that is. Well, I wouldn't say putting my content out there to be seen by everybody is my biggest fear. But for most people, it is. Most people are afraid to put their creativity themselves out there in the world to be seen, And then you have people leaving comments, mean comments, and not appreciating your efforts, your hard work, And on a video that has no views and no comments and no likes also speaks volume. That means your work sucks. Nobody is enjoying your work, And so that's just what it is, It's hard to not take it personal. And on that note, by the way, tap on that like button, if you're appreciating this video this far, if you gaining some value from it, leave a comment, motivate me to keep creating more content, more videos for you. My channel has been growing, very slowly, but steadily. I can see some numbers going up. I'm thankful for everybody that has been with me on this journey, watched these videos that I've been posting. I really appreciate you all. And on that note, I think it's safe to put this in here. Almost 75% of all of you watching my videos have not yet subscribed. I would really appreciate it if you tap on that subscribe button, because this motivates me to continue creating this content, And by the way, if there is a video idea that you want me to speak on, or you want me to create a video about, let me know about it in the comments. Just put it in the comments. I read all the comments and then I'll create that video for you. What are my feelings today when it comes to YouTube? Although it has been tough, I would not change a thing. This process has taught me a lot about myself, about my work, and what it means to connect with other people, And the highlight for me really has been how this process has helped me improve my photography skill, my video creation skill, because it has pushed me to do photos and create a video so often. It has been like a practice ground for me to keep creating and keep doing, keep doing the thing basically, And I must say, my work has improved dramatically, Even my graphic design skills. And this came from having to create a good looking thumbnail for every video that I post. It's not been easy, but I've been putting in the reps, I've been doing my part. And so I would not change it for anything. More challenges, more learning, of course, and more content for all of you, I'm committed and I'm determined. I want to keep pushing. So please hold me accountable. I'll be creating content every week. I want to continue creating content every week for the platform. If you enjoyed watching this video, please tap on that like button. Liking a video helps it get pushed to other new viewers, and this is good for the channel. Please do that for me. Show some love. It was nice hanging out with you guys, and I see you in my next video.